What kind of creature was that? Oh, woo! Oh, pull up to the fishing spot like this, so y'all can see where I fish. Come on, man. Don't play out here. Let's come up from the water. You know what I'm saying? Woo! No bites yet. We waiting for the sun to go down. The Hudson River stomp right now. North of George Washington, you know, with the pin rigs, like always, with the blowworms from Jack's, eagle claw hooks, gamakatsu hooks. We out here, we out here. Yeah. I'm gonna put some more bait on here. Those sneaky fish and blue claws are eating everything. Pull up that mighty beast.
Stingray.
A stingray?
Eel.
It's a baby eel.
It's at least something.
Oh.
It's something.
It's shark bait. Shark bait. We got that shark bait. Yo, Raul, hit me up. $2 special. I catch my fish.
No, you're not. I promise. I'm really so
You worried about me skunking? I'm gonna catch my fish.
You're not, I promise. It's a striped bass.
Yeah?
No, another.
Bigger one. Yo, these eels out here, yo. Get that free bait.
I saw a tail there. I saw a tail.
Ooh, what is it? What is it? Oh, what is it? What is it? It has to be an eel. It was just sleeping there. What is it? What is it? It has to be an eel. Oh, it's trying to fight down. It has to be an eel. It's exactly that. A fucking eel. Whoa. What is this free shark bait here, man? The circle hook.